Welcome to the Simple Shoot Academy. I'm excited that you're here and I'm excited to get started because I've been making almost all of my video content on my phone, what you're looking at right now, or what I'm looking at. And I've been doing it for years and everybody asks me how I pull it off, how I can use only my phone to make all of this social media content. And yes, I'm no guru expert that is about to break your mind with the video, but I make very clean, very effective, and I do it super efficiently. My videos get clicks, they get the message across, they connect with the audience I plan to connect with, and I make money, or I get laughs, or I get likes, whatever I go for. But my goal with the Simple Shoot Academy is for you to understand how to use this magical device that's already in your pocket and create the videos that you need for your business, brand, hobby, or whatever your ideas are. I did this literally last Friday. I got an idea to make a video about the eclipse. I went out, I shot it, I edited it, I added captions, I posted it all in about 52 minutes, and then included a little break to get a sandwich and a cup of water. So my goal is to get you guys in the exact same position where you can have a random idea and know that with just your smartphone, in about 30, 45, 60 minutes, your idea is gonna be social media ready to post as an ad, to post as a general content piece, to post to convey a message to somebody else. So take your time, but dive in and just trust me and trust yourself, because I'm gonna be breaking down way beyond just the editing, but I'm gonna be going into the mindset, the things that you fear, and all of the things that we all come across when we're trying to start making videos. I promise you it's super achievable, and I know you can do it. Within this course, I'm also gonna be making a community of people just like you and me who have a smartphone and want to get better at making videos. I'll be offering weekly calls, one-on-one calls as well. I'll be bringing in experts that are very, very good at what they do to similar spaces. I'll be having free bonus modules that are going to running ads, sales, and other things that are super effective to business and things that you may be interested in. So my goal here is to bring you pure value every single month for a super low and affordable price. And hopefully we can all conquer our goals together. All right, it's been a pleasure. Let's chat soon. I can't wait to see you inside.